Alright, so voice assistant, also known as TalkBack, can get pretty annoying if you activated it by mistake and you're having trouble figuring out how to turn it off. Alright, so I'm going to be showing you how to turn off TalkBack in this video. It's super simple. So let's go. I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So what you're going to do is with 2 fingers, you're going to scroll from the bottom to the top. And here you're going to swipe around with 2 fingers until you find settings. My settings is right here. So I'm going to select it and then double tap it. Here in settings, you can scroll around with 2 fingers once again. So you're going to scroll down towards accessibility, select accessibility, double tap it. And it's this option right here, screen reader. Go ahead and select it, double tap it. And here you will see voice assistant. So that is what we're going to have to disable. Just select it, double tap it. And then here you will have to confirm, select OK and double tap it. There you go, and it has been turned off. So your phone will be working normally again without TalkBack. Alright, so this will help you either enable or disable TalkBack, which is a accessibility for hearing impaired people. So hope this video helped you out. If it did, go ahead and give it a like. It really helps me out. And that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. And as always, peace.